From grade 5, how are you all students? It's 4th June today and Friday. Today our topic is decimal fractions. So first of all, we will see the difference between fractions and decimal fractions. Both fractions and decimals are the just two ways to represent numbers. Fractions are written in the form of P by Q. As you can see, fractions are written in the form of P by Q, where q is not equal to 0, while in decimals the whole number, okay, and the fractional part are connected through decimal point. Whole number and a fractional part are connected through a decimal point. For example, you can see 123.456. This is a fractional example of a decimal fraction. And another example you can take, for example, 0.5. Fractions and decimals are represents the relationship of part by whole. Okay, fractions and decimals represent the relationship of part and the whole. In decimal fractions, the numbers after the decimal are similar to the counting numbers before the decimal. The main difference is the th. इसमें मेन डिफरेंस th का होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स. टेंस, th, hundreds and thousands are all the placement name after the decimal point. Where is tens, hundred and thousand are the name before the decimal number. Now let's look at the example 123.456. The 3 before the decimal is ones, the 2 is the tens, the 3 before the decimal is ones, 2 is the tens, and 1 is at the hundreds. Again, no th. Before the numbers, before the decimals don't have th. But the little difference, the other difference is there is no ones after the decimal point. You can see we don't have ones after the decimal point. It goes right to the tens, but it becomes tens with the th. So the 4 is the tens, 5 is the hundreds, and 6 is the thousands. So it's the same ones. We skip the ones. It's the same counting by skipping the ones, and we add th. Grade 5, open up page number 44. Question number 1, build up. Identify the decimal places of these fractions. So you have to simply identify the places. As I have told you already, we have to write the numbers before the decimals. We start from the ones, tens, and after the decimal we start from the tens, hundreds and thousands. So in this way you have to identify the places of the numbers. Grade 5, now your task is you have to identify the decimal places of these fractions in the question number 1 on your notebooks. Watch the video very carefully and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.